Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm afraid there's going to be no cash stuff on Sunday because literally since my video went up last Sunday, literally my video went up, I rang 111, which is our national emergency service line, apart from like 999. It's like when it's not really an emergency but kind of an emergency, you ring 111. And yeah, we've been in hospital ever since. So my baby is not feeling too good and I just have not had any time to film anything. So I'm just letting you know now that like there'll be no cash stuff on Sunday this Sunday because I'm here with my baby in the hospital. So fun times all around. She is on the mend, thank God. But yeah, it's going to be a tight week, another tight week. When is it not a tight week? But anyhow, yeah, just want to say thank you again everybody for all the love and support that I've been getting on last week's video. I greatly appreciate it, you know I do. There will be other content coming up that I have previously filmed that was going out later on in the month, but I'll just push them all up to, you know, fill in the gaps, I suppose. It's handy to have that done. Yeah, so that's where we are, that's what we're doing, where we're at. Waiting for my baby to get better sometimes. See you soon, bye bye. Alright folks, I love you and leave you because I really don't know what else to say, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks again so much for all your love and support. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.